Ready to supercharge your Google Ads campaigns with seamless tracking and data-driven insights. Let's dive into installing your Google Ads tracking code using Google Tag Manager, also known as GTM. This is going to allow you to implement your Google Ads tracking codes through GTM, making things a lot easier. First, open your Google Tag Manager workspace. Click on Tags in the left-hand menu. It's usually the second option down. This is where we'll set up your Google Ads tracking code. Then, click the New button, found in the top right corner to start a new tag configuration. Now, let's configure your tag. Click within the tag configuration box to select the type of tag. A long list of different tag types will appear. Scroll through and select the Google Ads tag that you need to implement. For example, if this is for conversion tracking, choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking. If you're planning to track remarketing, there will be options specific for this as well. You'll now need to enter crucial information for conversion tracking campaigns. Go to Google Ads interface to find your conversion ID and conversion label. For remarketing, make sure you get the correct ID. Copy and paste these codes into the corresponding fields within tag configuration. After pasting your specific codes, you must configure your triggering. Click within the triggering box and select your desired trigger. Typically, you will want to fire a conversion tracking tag on a specific page, like a thank you page after a purchase. For remarketing, choose all pages. If you don't have a trigger made, create one. Select page view and choose some page views to create more specific conditions. Then set up a rule to fire when the URL contains the words in the thank you page's URL. Once complete, click on save and give your trigger a specific name so you can remember it. Now give your tag a meaningful name such as Google Ads Conversion Tracking Purchase or similar name. Then click save and you're almost done. Finally, preview your changes using GTM's preview mode before publishing. To ensure everything is working as intended, click submit. In the top right corner, write a short description of the change. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Google Ads code using Google Tag Manager. This streamlined process helps you track results and manage your campaigns efficiently.